Welcome to one of my favourite places in Sydney. If, like me, you like donuts, cars and motorcycles, this spot has it all. Donut Garage, located in Marrickville, Sydney, is a nice chill place for those who love automotive culture to meet up, grab a coffee and a bite. With unique, freshly made in-house donuts that are both creative and delicious. Not to mention some of the loveliest people work here. With its bright atmosphere, chill vibe and a unique collection of personal cars and bikes. There's no question why I keep coming back.